Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a Dodge Dart. So what we'll be doing, it should work on the whole generation Dodge Dart from year 2013 to year 2016, maybe 17 guys. If you guys have the seats with the power lumbar support, okay, this is the pillow that inflates and supports your back on the seat guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where to find the fuses. You may have up to 2 fuses, so stay with us and we're going to cover all that today. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Dodge Dart and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? We do it guys because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So take advantage, subscribe to the channel, like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more on car parts, tools, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below as well. It's there guys to save you money. Now let me show you guys where the fuses for the seat lumbar support are. Okay, the one I'm talking about is we have the leather seats right here, and this is the button for the support right there. And if it doesn't work guys, you have to have the ignition on, but if it doesn't work we'll show you guys which fuses you need to check. So you have 3 fuse boxes. One of the fuse boxes is under the hood, you have 2 inside the car. Where they are now guys, and we'll need to work on both of them. For one of them, this is for the BCM control module fuse box. This one right there, you will need to remove that cover in order to access it. We have the video on the channel, check it out. It's called, I think it was called fuse box location and where they're and how to get to them. Check it out guys, and you can see how to remove that cover so you can get to the BCM module and these fuses there. Now, that being said, we'll be able to access one of the you can see boxes here, but we'll have one more guys, and the other one is next to your braking paddle guys, brake paddle right here. You're going to have, I'm upside down by the way right now, you're going to have one more fuse box. And this fuse box guys, we'll need to check, the fuse that we need to check is the very bottom fuse. Now this fuse box usually will be attached right here. I got it loose so I can move it a little bit and show you, but this is the box guys, and the fuse that we need to check for the seat support for the pillow is this one right here. It is on the right side, the very bottom fuse. This is one of them. What about the second fuse guys? Some of you may have that one, some may not. This fuse guys, it's looking, let me move all the cables now. See if I can get all the cables out of the way. Maybe something like that. Perfect. Looking at it now guys, the fuse that we need to check, you have 1, 2, fuse number 2 guys, from top to bottom guys, this fuse right there, the second fuse. Now this fuse guys, it's right here. I'm trying to focus so you can see it, but now looking from top guys, it will be counting the missing fuses as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fuse, or it will be guys the second fuse from bottom to top, and the 5th from top to bottom. Those are guys the fuses. So after we replaced ours guys, I'll turn the ignition on, and now you can definitely hear the pneumatic pillow moving guys. I can definitely hear that working and inflating. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.